Kdenlive 22.12.3 came out today in Flatpak, but not at Kden.org says March 6th, so I don't know what they've done. Today's video, I'm going to mess with Chroma Key. Right now I've got this blue background. I'm going to take it out and put something else behind it, and it's pretty straightforward. Just takes a little patience, but that's what this is all about. In fact, when I do the intro, I'm going to have a different background, but then I'll show you how to do it. Kdenlive 22.12.3, and just to show you, right here, came out today, March 3rd, 2023. But no info on what they did, but Flatpak's really ahead of the curve on this. Okay, we're going to mess with Chroma Key. What I'm going to do is pop this thing in here. And I'm going to unclip the audio. So let's ungroup it. Click that. You don't want to hear the audio while we're playing with this. So we'll put it on video 2. And up here is, in my favorites, under the Alpha, Mask, and Keen, is Chroma Key Basic. Now, this thing works for me. The Advanced doesn't work as good. That's kind of weird. So you hit the little eyedropper and you go to the blue. Now it's black, and that means it's transparent. So just to prove that, I'm going to pull in a few other backgrounds, and we'll just show you how this works. And okay, here's some flowers, kind of busy. And let's try some videos too. And I got some free video footage. And some of these are really cool. So let's try this fog. I love that one. And let's try another seascape. Okay. So we're going to go back up to here. That's the fog. We're going to put that underneath here. We're going to click on it. And I took the audio because I used that same pro footage for the demonstration. So then we'll put one here, and we'll put one over here. And boy, that one of the ocean, that's almost too busy too. So everything except my shirt, because the background was blue, and I coded out the blue by using Chroma Key Basic. And then I just put it on, put everything I want to be behind it, underneath it on video input number 1. So let's get rid of, let's stop this, get rid of this, and we'll try this. It's way too busy. Delete. And oh, this foam one, I love this foam one. I'm going to use this on the intro to this, before my intro, because I messed with it. I slowed it down and I blew it up, and I don't have any audio to it, but I can find some. So basically Chroma Key is like having a green screen. I use a blue screen that I have, a portable, and I'm finally getting some of the light set up okay, and I'm trying to keep the light out of my glasses. That's the hardest thing. Now, I do like this JPEG I got. It was from my virtual desktop background for my Quest 2. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Looks like I'm in outer space or something. Okay, that's it for now, and I'm going to shut this down. Very simple. I'll do basically use a blue screen or green screen, and I use Chroma Key Basic, Kdenlive 22.12.3, and that's it. Let me go shut off OBS and hook it all together. Bye.